Hey there. What are you doing right now? Me? I'm wide awake, listening to the soothing sounds of log sawing. Luckily for me, I've been able to use all this free time to research the perfect solution. SleepTight from DentTemp. I learned that SleepTight is specifically designed to gently hold your jaw forward and reduce the vibrations that cause snoring. It custom forms to your unique bite in just a couple minutes. And just like that, it's gone. Get the sleep you and your sleep partner deserve with SleepTight by DentTemp.